Beautiful. So we have now set up our multi-sig. We have set up a project and token policy ID, and now we are going to be setting up the Clarity DAO. So let's go ahead and log in with Lace. It should log in fairly easily. Username, I'm just going to go Richard Kid. Don't have a referral code. What is this? Visible to other users. Cool. Profile image, just going to leave that. I agree. You opt into Clarity Rewards program. Okay, I'm just going to skip this Clarity Rewards program for now. Even though that'll be an ideal thing. Cool, so I don't know why it didn't let me log in. Richard Kid. Check, continue. It's because that's open. Let's try this one more time. Aha. Third time's the charm. So beautiful. Profile created. Multiple sign-in and confirmations. Verify wallet ownership. Beautiful. Okay, that should be that. Now I can go add an organization. Okay. Skip because I don't have a referral code. For this example, I'm just going to use Ocean and Surf Therapy Academy. The Academy for Ocean and Surfing Enthusiasts. Ocean, surfing, and water healing enthusiasts. Boom. Image, upload file. I'll just throw in this logo quick. Cool. Links, Twitter. It's going to need HTTPS, so we're just going to leave this. We're going to all leave all this stuff out. We're going to save. Cool. Add an organization. Step by step, step by step. Okay, cool. So now you see we get a little admin pop-up page. So in order to launch the Agora DAO, we have to go through a beautiful bunch of initial steps. Okay. So sorry about that, my phone is just having some moments. So we're going to register a governance asset. Okay, so we're going to come down to governance and we're going to create a voting power calculation. Okay, so we're going to edit, require admin approval. Yes. How many users must approve a snapshot governance action? I'm going to say 2 because there's 2 of us, but for this example I'm just going to say 1 because there's only 1 of me right now, and then let's go 7 days is fine. We're going to sign this off. We're going to go confirm. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, so now we go, we have got a snapshot governance setting, which is vote on snapshot, which is who can cast votes and comment on a snapshot governance action. Everyone, all members of the admin, and then these are the ones who can only create snapshot, approve snapshot, manage snapshot, is going to be the admin. Okay. Then we're going to go token governance tokens. We're going to edit this. I'm going to go add a token. I'm pretty sure we're just going to go mint governance token. I'm going to go say token name, and it was, I'm not going to use the facilitator one, the OASTF. I'm just going to use the OASTA. This is the academy. So I'm going to take this token ID here, and copy that. I'm just going to post it into the, we don't need any of that. So token name is going to be OASTA. Membership, don't have that. Token logo is just going to be the same logo. Just upload that. The number of tokens should be greater. We have how many tokens in this? We have 1 million. So we're going to say million, and then the wallet address is just going to be my personal wallet, but for the setup of the DAO, we would use the multi-sig wallet. So I'm just going to receive that. Boom. And I've never done this before, so who knows? Hopefully this 38er goes to a good place. Confirm. Close. Unknown error. Please download the error and the file contact and file error file and contact support. Let's have a look. See clarity error. Okay, so organization create and make a error 2 less mints in your initial account, full up first. Okay, so basically sorry about the tech difficulties. Okay, so basically there wasn't enough minting credits in our why is this doing this? Okay, so basically we didn't have enough minting coupons, so we need to top up on our minting coupons. Okay, so let's buy some minting coupons. Let's see what we got here. Might have to send more ADA to my Lace account. So it says that it went off, but it didn't actually, which is unfortunate. So, okay, let's go and look at this. It's strange that it went off for the mint. You have a mint credit. You can mint a governance token for free. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. So that's where it went. It just went into credit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up. Actually going to open up Eternal. I think I'm just going to send some money to Lace so that I can get some more minting coupons. I wonder how many minting coupons I need in order to mint the tokens. It's going to be an interesting thing to learn. So let's go send. I'm just using Ocean and Surf Therapy Academy as just like an example. Receive. So the spending password up here. It shouldn't take that long. I mean, there we go. On chain. Let's come back here. Let's go. $27 ADA, because that's kind of what I've got in the wallet. I'm going to go purchase. Pay with Lace. Sending to payment details for 6 Maker 1919. Okay. Golden. Cool. This should then update in a moment. And then we can go back here, we can go mint governance token. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to mint 2. Just so host membership. Wallet address is going to be this one. Again, not right. Let's see what's up. Maybe the mints haven't come through just yet. No, they're there. Maybe I just need a mint 1. Maybe I just need to mint 1. Again, maybe insufficient funds, I'm assuming. Two less mints in your internal account. Fill up first. Yeah, mint tokens. Alrighty-o. So, okay, we're not going to mint that right now because that doesn't want to work. I don't have enough. But we can add the token. We can come in here and we can go to get our policy ID. And we can go, boom, copy that, take it in here, boom, name is going to be membership token, let's go to the 10 decimal places. And let's go cool, and we're going to add, we're going to save. Done. Cool beans. So we have now got a governance token that's been added, and we should see it over there. Membership token, Ocean and Surf Therapy Academy gems. This will be the reward gems. This will be a token used. Okay, now you go into so this is one member, one vote, but that can be changed in the membership, and you can see here if we go to admin, we have to set up membership flow. So it will say welcome to the organization, get a verify email, and they have no minimum requirements. Then joins organization, we can configure badges. For example, create a new badge. We can say core community, or rather founders club, and we can say that we've got a shield, that's gold shield, and save that. Okay, and then we've got to sign it off. Seems like it just did it automatically, strangely enough. Maybe it didn't work. Cool, so let's go back to home, back to admin. Okay, now we go to configure voting power calculations. Okay, so we go back to governance, we go settings, and we go power calculations, we go add, new calculation, we go, so we've already got a one person, one vote, so let's go proof of stake, token weighted. We add an asset, we can go the membership token, add, and then weight one token can be what, 0.5 for example. We can also add the asset of having the gems too, and then we can go stake with membership token. Proof of stake with membership token. We can save this. We've got policy ID. Beautiful. We'll go back to governance, and then we go. You see, in order to have a proper proof of stake, not token based voting, token weighted voting, we would need to be on the Agora DAO, but we've got to set up all of this that we're going through in order to get to the Agora DAO. So let's go back to admin and see what the rest of the process is. I mean home. Yeah, no, admin. Cool. Add link Twitter, all of that. To get started, create an Agora DAO treasury or configure a multi-sig. Okay, let's go edit. Add an existing multi-sig. Or want to set up a new multi-sig. Let's click here. Let's see what this takes us to. Create a new multi-sig wallet. You'll be redirected to Mesh Multi-Sig Wallet platform to create and manage your multi-sig wallet. This Mesh platform, where you can create and sign transactions, your community will be able to see the assets in the treasury. So let's go add an existing multi-sig. So let's change this to name. It's going to be Ocean Host Treasury, and we'll go here to the multi-sig, and we'll go to home, and we'll click on the address, copy this, and we'll come here, and we'll paste it in there, and then we click save. Let's see if we can do that. Confirm. Cool, so it was an error updating the badges, which is fine. Cool, so that's the Ocean and Surf Therapy Treasury, which is the multi-sig. And this seems to be as far as I've gone. Let's click on Launch Agora DAO and see what happens. Governance token. You see, we've got the facilitator, which is interesting. And it all... one. Okay. Reset. No, let's just go one. What's this? The vote tally of proposal options must reach to be considered passed. Okay, so let's go 1. Create the number of governance tokens a member must hold in order to create a proposal. We can say 1 for now. This is just example. Vote the number of governance tokens a member must hold in order to vote. Let's go also just 1. Maximum proposals per stake. The maximum number of proposals that can be submitted using a single stake or user hold. I'm also just going to make this 1 for now. Yeah. Next. Wallet does not hold enough ADA. Creating a DAO costs 115 ADA. It is all TX transaction output or just transaction fees. No fees are collected by the Clarity platform. You need at least 150 ADA in your wallet to create the DAO, the Agora DAO. But we have gotten up to just before the Agora space. So yeah, happy days. We can change the appearance. We can add you as an admin here and change me from a super admin to you as a super admin in your wallet, and then start playing around and start, building. So this is a walkthrough of the multi-sig, the InMaker Studio setup, and the DAO creation. I look forward to discussing this with you further and jumping on a call and going through all of this. Blessings.